Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, I welcome you, and if you're a return subscriber, I want to say thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. In today's look, I am going to do a simple everyday neutral eyeshadow look. For the non-color wearers, this is my treat. I am starting off with a brown color. And I am going to put that all over. I'm looking down because I have the mirror. Now I'm going in with my second color. We're keeping it all nice, calm, no colorful makeup today. More of a neutral look. So in the crease, I am putting this color right here. This color is more like a dark burgundy wine. Whatever we do for the first eye, we do for the second eye. Because we want it to be as close as possible. They will never be exactly, but at least close. Back into my first color, which is the brown, and I'm going to fix the lid. I found the color that we just lost. The same color I use all over the brown, I'm going to put it in the outer corner to darken it a little, give me a little bit of oomph. And the color, the wine burgundy color I put in my crease, I'm going to smudge it under my lower lashes. Now I'm doing the contouring. We're doing a neutral look today. Now I'm setting my face. We all do our makeup differently, so we kind of do the steps, I guess, differently. But this is how I do it. I put the powder all over my face and then I dust it off. Some over my eye that I need to fix. You can see I got some over here, but that's an easy fix. Now we're doing blush. we have our blush on. I take the foundation brush and I go like this to kind of help shape it up. And I take the powder brush, make sure everything is blended properly. I don't know. Now we need to finish our neutral look with the lipstick. This is all for the neutral ladies out there who like to keep it sexy and subtle. This is it. Lipstick. I'm using This is today's simple everyday neutral all natural eyeshadow look. I keep it subtle and sexy. Who say you can't wear neutral and be sexy? Be neutral and sexy. Today I use Tammi X Makeup Revolution Tropical Twilight eyeshadow palette. This brown right here called Dreams, I use it all over my eyes. And then I took Horizon and I put that in the crease of my eyes. I also use Horizon in the lower lash line. I smudge it right there. This color right here, which is called Sun Rays, I have it in the tear duct. These are the three colors I have today on my eyes to create this natural, neutral eyeshadow look. For my lip liner, I use the black opal and it is called Coffee Bean. For my lipstick, I use Milani and it is number 70 and it is the Matte Fearless. This is what it looks like. This is the bottom. This is what I have on my lips. And as usual, I have a green wig. And tie my hair. But this, oh, I forgot I have them on. I have lashes. Lashes. Put lashes on. It's been a while. I've put them on before. But I never seem to put them on when I'm doing. I always forget to put them on. Always. They're right there. And then after I record and end, I realize, oops, I didn't do them. So it's like, no problem. I don't really do false lashes all the time, so it's fine. So today I have lashes. I forgot. See them? They are the same ones I wear before. Pre-glued eyeliner. And I think it's a 15-hour wear. And the number is, one second. Okay, this is my lashes that I have on is the eyeliner pre-glued, and it's number 003. I don't know what those numbers mean. I just picked up a ton of the lashes about a month or 2 months ago, and they're just sitting there. Like I said, when I'm done filming and recording, I realize, oops, I didn't use them. So today I pull them out first and I put them exactly when I'm filming so I can remember. So that's how I end up with them. This is it. I hope you like, I hope you share, I hope you comment, I hope you subscribe. My lashes feel a little funny. Let me make sure they're in order. Yes, they are. I hope you like, I hope you share, I hope you comment, I hope you subscribe. When you like my videos, it shows that you love the content and YouTube sees that. When you comment on my videos, you interact with me, and it also shows YouTube that you are interacting with me on my channel. When you share, it is such a good thing because not only you get to see the video, but other people get to see the video, and they might like it and share it to somebody else, and then that helps my views. And when you subscribe, you let me know that you do want to join my family, and I welcome you. And I thank you very much for joining this Simply You family. I love you, I love you, I love you. And as always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important. And I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Love self. Love self. Take care of self. I love you.